How are you doing today? Yeah, I want to make a short video to show us how to buy various coin using the contract address. The contract address is like the identification number on the blockchain. So using the contract address and how to buy these coins on PancakeSwap through the Trust wallet, and as well saving on the Trust wallet for a long term holding period. Okay, let's take for example, we would like to buy Kishu Inu. So you go to CoinMarketCap, that's the website, coinmarketcap.com. That's the website that tells us the details of every crypto asset that's in the market. You click on search. And then that's Kishu. And there you are. Currently Kishu is being traded at below $1. You can see it's not even in cents. It's not even in cents, and it has done 58% increase over the last 24 hours. So if you had invested $1,000 or $100 into this trade, or a $10 into this trade, that means your $10 would have become $580. So that's the benefit. So Kishu Inu, this is where you get the contract address. You simply scroll down and you click copy. That's it. Just click this copy button, and it is telling you that Kishu Inu is an Ethereum blockchain coin. It's an Ethereum blockchain coin. It's still a meme coin. It's not a main coin. A meme, M-E-M-E, not a main coin. So it's still on the blockchain. It's a token actually, because it's on the blockchain network. So you copy. Once you've copied, you get a copy notification, and then you go straight to Trust Wallet. You click on Trust Wallet here.